Hey guys, so I'm trying to do some like quick, like just like a little quickie because I just want to take some pictures. I'm feeling myself tonight. We ain't got school tomorrow, so I got the whole night to myself. Don't tell nobody I told you this, but when we get back home, when we get back from school, I'm gonna have a test. Oh, sorry for the saying. I was doing makeup earlier, but we gonna have a test, and I'm just gonna say I didn't have no power, so I couldn't study. Period. I don't care. We gonna do a wingette. Just because when I wear lashes with a thicker band, I like to wear eyeliner so it'll look, not too crazy. Did the wings. Bam, they're looking cute. Now let me tell you guys about this, alright? Now, shit, I might have threw it away. But anyway, I bought lashes for $10, right? They were 6. And they had the thick band, right? Never do that ever. You guys, go to the Dollar Tree, okay? I'm letting you guys know this. If you like thick bands, now me, I prefer thin bands like this. These lashes are so ugly, but like I like the thin bands, so I'm gonna use it. But when I do thick bands, I do liner. See difference? This is how it originally looks, cheap, cheesy, and that's what. So that's how it looks in the end. A nice, wispy, beautiful. Those are $10 lashes right there. All you gotta do, take the spoolie, comb like this. Just go back and forth. I do it for the longest, so you don't have to do it for that long. Nice wispies. Get you about 10 for $10. What you mean? I'm just gonna use the glue because I ran out of glue. Let me use the glue in here. And then when you get them, see how it be straight? You just gotta wrap it around your thumb. Or do this. Do this number. Smush them together a little bit. So they can cup around your eyes because your eyes aren't straight. Now I need to get rid of some of these pimples. So I'm gonna blend it in like skin to my skin. This is the Owlman. I think this line discontinued. Okay, now it's highlight, bro. It's stunning dry, but like, I don't know. Wet, bro. Shit. Bright. I love it. Ooh, almost dropped it. Yeah. I'm sorry. I'm just feeling it. Period. It's on and popping. It's on and popping. So I always outline. I did this in an hour? You're kidding me. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Until next time, peace out, Girl Scouts. Bye, girlies. Peace out, Girl Scouts. 8 times down. I will see you guys in the next freaking video. Disrespectful and I'm rude. Okay. I had cocaine in the school. When I one hell of a kid. She got a little bit of drama with her friends. She got a little bit of drama with her friends. She got a little bit of drama with her friends. She got a little bit of drama with her friends. She got a little bit of drama with her friends. Yeah. I'm in my element. Money getting bigger, that's the evidence. They wanna see me fall, I promise you I never slip. I'm on the grind, do it for the dead presidents. Dead presidents.